I thought I could live a normal life,
Wow, what a wonderful day it is outside!
but they're always there, watching, recording our every move.
Right?
Yeah.
It's almost like there's no one watching us. Perfect weather. I'm so glad there are no drones. There's one behind us.
And then one day, they took my husband. After that moment, everything changed.
Come on, let's go! Who are you? It's not a bird. That's a drone. Nah.
Millions of individuals are affected by the government bird drones every day. If you or a loved one has encountered a bird, you may be entitled for financial compensation.